question?
Yes, ma'am.
We have thinking with language.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
Adverbs. Read the sentence taken from the story. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. The word completely is an adjective. When you add ly to it, it becomes an adverb. Question 1. Find the sentences in the lesson which have the adverbs given in the box below.
Okay. So, do you know the meaning of these words? Awfully, sorrowfully, completely. Completely, obviously, you must be knowing. What does awfully mean? Anyone can attempt. What does awfully mean? It's awful. Like you say, awesome, na? Is the opposite of that, I would say.
Ma'am, like bad,
Yes, extremely bad.
unpleasant.
Yes, unpleasant. And extremely bad, not the simple one. Like if I say you one sentence, it's written in the lesson also. They turned the pages which were yellow and crimply, and it was awfully funny to read books, words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So awfully funny means बहुत, it was hilarious because these people, you want to see the book on screen. It is this book. Okay. Many of them, even I think mathematics and all, it's exam idea. I'll write it in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry.
Um,
One second, I'll just leave space over here. I think many of your other subject teachers also use this. I got this online last year. Okay. And it's quite good actually. You got extra questions also in this. It's not necessary that you will be getting questions from this only in the exam. Nothing of that sort. Only it's for your betterment that I have got this book. So I'm planning to get even class 10 to the same book. Okay. So we have this. And so what does sorrowfully mean? Sorrow? What is sorrow?
A misery.
Misery, not exactly misery. Sorrow
I'm
is what?
sad.
Yes, dukh. ठीक है. Sad in Hindi is उदास होना. And sorrow means dukh. The sadness causes you sorrow. Or it's a deep sorrow, but the sorrow is actually higher level of sadness means आप वैसे ही उदास हो. But sorrow is actually feeling deep inside. And can you anyone mention the sentence where you find sorrowfully in the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pooja.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully, and
Sorrowfully.
sent for the county inspector.
हाँ मतलब had shaken her head sorrowfully. बहुत बहुत दुख होके उसने अपना सिर हिलाया. नहीं, ये तो गलत हो रहा है. Like, okay, and then you have completely. I don't have to mention the meaning of this. You all know it. What is loftfully? Loftyfully. You can check it on the net also at this
Ma'am, in a
presentation.
superior way.
Yes, in a superior way. So in a very like कई लोग बहुत अकड़ के कहते हैं ना, okay, that's it. So he added loftily pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. Okay, so it was the county inspector, or was it Tommy? Who was the one who told the sentence? Just check it in the chapter.
Ma'am, Tommy.
Tommy, okay. And differently, differently मतलब different मतलब अलग से, something different from others. Differently is an adverb which you add to the, different is an adjective, and when you add ly it becomes an adverb. Okay. So here also you have, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Every child has to be taught differently. So you have this is a simple exercise, nothing much to do. Now you're supposed to fill in these adverbs, okay? So you quickly tell me the answer for first one. Anyone who has already done this?
Ma'am, carefully.
But we read along with the sentence, you quickly read the sentence, Pooja. First three you do.
Yes, ma'am. The report must be read carefully so that performance can be improved. Second, at the interview, Samir answered our questions loftily, surging his
No, I
shoulders.
don't think it's softly. Second one is wrong. Anyone else? Second one, what is the answer? Anyone?
Ma'am, differently.
No. वो तो फिर एक एक करके आप सारे ही लगा दो. हैं?
Awful.
No, that's a very long word actually.
Ma'am, nonchalantly.
Yes, not gently.
Ma'am, but I think that is of the third one.
It's a third one. Third one is actually differently. We all behave differently when we are. Are you sure?
Ma'am, no.
In this book, that is what is written, and I think it is right. Just see the pronunciation of this. I want you to carefully. Okay, if I shoot this again, if I show the entire screen, then is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Nonchalantly. Nonchalantly.
Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nonchalantly.
Now listen carefully, okay? We'll try this one also. Wait. If I open this new link, will it be visible to you, or should I show this also in the new tab, Pranjal?
Ma'am, you have
Ma'am,
to
you
show
can
it
change
on
the.
new tab.
I have to show the new tab. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I have to press it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Nonchalante. Nonchalante.
Oh, the previous one was better.
Nonchalante.
Nonchalantly. Now is this visible? What is being shown?
Yes, ma'am.
This is better, isn't it? Nonchalantly. Was it audible? Oh, I had stopped the screen. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
But it was audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nonchalantly.
Okay, nonchalantly. Okay, so the second one's answer is nonchalantly. Okay, and third one, Pooja?
We all behave differently when we are tired or hungry.
Okay, thank you. And others, can you do it, Adisha? The teacher? Quickly, we'll just do.
The teacher shook her head sorrowfully when Ravi lied to her.
Okay.
I
Next.
completely forgot about it when I completed Revati on her
Complimented.
complimented
Mm.
complimented Revati on her success. She just smiled.
And walked away. And turned away, sorry.
She just smiled.
The complete sentence is not there. She just
No,
smiled.
ma'am, I'm finding the word.
Okay, okay. Here you will have loftily. Okay?
Yes.
जैसे अकड़ के हाँ ऐसे करके she just smiled and turned away. है ना हम लोग करते हैं कई बार अपने साथ फ्रेंड्स के साथ. Okay, next one. Seventh one. The president.
The president of the company is awfully busy and will not
Yes.
be able to meet you.
Yes, yes. He's extremely busy. Awfully मतलब बहुत बुरी हालत है. Yes. Now last one.
I finished my work quickly so that I could go out to play.
Okay. Next one is a simple one, like a third, fourth standard activity. You have to add ILY and it's done. Okay. All the adverbs will be made. Yes, because all the words are ending with Y. So Y goes away and ILY will come. Next one, the use of if not and unless. What is if not? Nahi to. If you don't do this, if not. And other is unless. So the slight difference between unless and if not, and both are used in conditional sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Can someone quickly just, I'll do the first one. If I don't go to Anu's party tonight.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have books, so ma'am, can you share your screen and show the book?
You want this book?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Then?
textbook.
Oh, textbook. I'll see whether I've downloaded this one in my drive or not. 1 second. I have to stop presenting because you will see my drive. Why have you people not got your textbook? You can take it.
Shops are closed, so ma'am.
Okay, now it's safer that you don't go to the shop. Do one thing, na, if you have any senior, like the ones who have already finished ninth and gone to 10th, you can take their books instead of buying new ones. I would always suggest that take books from other
My
students.
taken from, but she doesn't have this book.
The textbook.
Yes, ma'am. She
Okay.
has extra books, not this book.
Okay. No, they contact other students also. No? Do one thing. You can always talk to who is your class teacher?
Snehal, ma'am.
Snehal ma'am. Okay, Snehal ma'am is at present out of station. So what you can do is you can even you can ask other subject teachers to help you out because though these teachers have already taught those students. Where do you live exactly, Pranjal?
I'm in Raghugar.
Raghavgarh. Okay, and any of our senior students of 10th B who live nearby, I can ask them to give it to you because I teach 10th B also. Anyone whom you know from there? Do you know this Unnati Meena, Safia? Anyone? कोई जान पहचान का just पता करो. Then you on my personal WhatsApp. Yes, Pranjal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and then inform me. I will talk to them in the class and they will give it to you. Okay, only that whenever you get it, sanitize it properly.
Yes, ma'am.
You people know now that this strand is extremely strong and it's extremely contagious.
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब you must be seeing around you बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रहा है. The rate of its spreading is very, very high. Last year से कहीं ज़्यादा है. It's not that last year वाला corona है, so take extreme care of yourself. Okay? Okay, here I'm sharing this for you. And this the exercise is there. Visible, my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now here it is. Yes. Start reading this, Pranjal.
ma'am. From where?
This one, if not and unless.
If not and unless. Imagine that Maggie's mother told her, "You will feel awful if you don't
Awful,
finish
awful.
awful if you don't finish your history lesson." She could also say, "You will feel awful unless you finish your history lesson." Unless means if not. Sentences with unless, if not are negative conditional sentences. Notice that these sentences have two parts. The part that begins with if not or unless tells us the condition. This part has a verb in the present tense. Look at the verbs don't finish in the sentences above. The other part of the sentence tells us about a possible result. It tells us what will happen if something else doesn't happen. The verb in this part of the sentence is in the future tense. You will feel, you will feel.
Okay, and read these sentences, future tense and present tense.
Yes, ma'am. Notice these two sentences again if in the following sentences. Future tense. There won't be any books left unless present tense we preserve them.
Okay.
Future
See,
tense.
one second, one second. Are you people seeing this? This is future. This phrase is referring to future, and we are connecting it with this word unless with something of the present. There are two tenses in this. Here you have the present. This is a whole sentence actually. You should read it like this. There won't be any books left unless we preserve it. मतलब आगे जाके हमारे पास कोई बुक्स नहीं बचेंगी अगर हम उनको बचा के नहीं रखे. Preserve, you know what is the meaning of preserve? Keeping it safely and properly. Okay, so that they don't get destroyed or degenerated. So you are using this. So this is a conditional word. अगर ऐसे होगा तो ऐसे होगा. तो आप एक कंडीशन लगा रहे हो ना कि अगर आपको ये चाहिए तो आपको ये करना पड़ेगा. Many times in the house also you see in our daily this one we keep using this. Like sometimes probably even we tell you in the class and all कि अगर आप ऐसे नहीं करोगे तो कम मार्क्स आएंगे, है ना? If you don't take care of your health, you'll fall ill. Isn't it? In the house also, my mom and dad many times they use this. And at times even to probably there it is there we can say हम कहते हैं ना मजबूरी है कि वो करवाना पड़ता है बिकॉज अच्छा अगर इतनी देर तुम मोबाइल खेल रहे हो तो इतनी देर पढ़ोगे. Now the condition is mostly like this. Even children talk like in conditioned way. आप मुझे ये करोगे तो मैं होमवर्क करूंगा या तो मैं पढ़ूंगा. अगर आप मुझे ये खाने दोगे तो मैं करूंगा. So this is called condition. आप एक condition लगा रहे हो. Okay. So here also if you see all these are same. So now you read the next two together, Pranjal.
Yes, ma'am. Future tense. You won't learn your lessons if present tense you don't study regularly. Future tense. Tommy will have an incident.
Accident.
Accident.
Don't tell future and present. Just read the sentence as a whole.
Yes, ma'am. Tommy will have an accident unless he drives more slowly.
Yes. We always say that अगर तुम ठीक से नहीं चलाओगे तो accident हो सकता है. Be careful, be careful. That's what it means. So here two tenses are put together using unless or if. Okay. Yes. Now can someone complete it? Because now you have to complete using these conditional sentences. The other half you will do it. This is future, and you have to put something of the present. Who wants to do it? Quickly, we'll do it. Akshita,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to
If
do the
I
first?
don't, yes, ma'am. If you don't go to Anu's party, she will get irritated.
Instead of irritated,
Ma'am, she
Ma'am,
be
very
angry.
upset.
upset. Yes, upset is good.
She will get
Actually, upset is perfect. Angry is also a negative. Upset भी negative होता है, but वो हल्के में है. आप वो use करो जो सबसे हल्का है and a little polite to use. What did you use, Akshita?
ma'am irritated.
Irritated को थोड़ा सा सुनने में भी irritate हो रहा है ना? So you don't use that word. Upset is good. Someone else was saying something else also. She will be upset. She will be very upset or just upset. She will get upset. Okay, that also you can write. Okay, next one will come. Who wants to try the next one? Akshat? If you don't, I'll show you the
Okay, ma'am. If you don't,
telephone.
ma'am, where is the?
This is the second one.
Yes, ma'am. If you don't telephone the hotel to order the food, you will miss your meal.
Yes, you will miss
Or
your
food.
meal. तो आपने देखा है, दिस इज द फ्यूचर कि आपने अभी किया नहीं है ये एक्शन. इफ यू डोंट टेलीफोन, आपने करना है, तो दे आर टेलिंग यू अगर तुम अपने टेलीफोन करके खाना नहीं मंगवाओगे तो तुम भूखे रह जाओगे. दैट भूखे रह जाओगे इज द प्रेजेंट वन. Okay, and this is something future. Same thing what was in the example. So you will go hungry, or you will have no, you will be without food today. Okay, so will always come over there. Okay, fine. Next one. Who wants to try the third one? But in this way only we'll be learning how to frame the sentences now. Who wants to do the third one?
Pooja.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Pooja, and who was the other? May I?
Ma'am, Akshita.
Ma'am, Karuna.
Okay,
Just-
Karuna. Yes, we'll give the chance to Karuna first. Karuna, this is for you. Third one. Karuna, is it visible? Okay, Pooja, third one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Unless you promise to write back, I will not write to you.
Okay, good, very good. I will not write back to you. Excellent. Now, Akshita, fourth one.
If she doesn't play any game, she will become lazy.
She will any game. Okay, she will become lazy. She will become unfit. Okay.
Ma'am, we will
No,
teach a
don't
new
use
game.
fat. Don't write fat and all. Fat is not this one. See, when you're talking about fitness and healthy, ना, तो वो overall एक आपका आ जाता है. But fat is you are actually tagging someone as thin and fat. And remember, fat होना unhealthy होना नहीं होता है. हमको किसी की फिजिक के बारे में कोई कमेंट नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay? We should not say anything.
Can
called-
you use weak? Weak.
We, yes, you can use we. If she doesn't play any game, Radhika, then we after that, we will,
She will become weak.
we will, not, हम कैसे, अगर वो खेलेगी नहीं
She
तो,
will. She will.
okay, she will become weak, not weak. You can write, she will not be able to improve her stamina. ऐसे कुछ आप बोल सकते. She will not be able to improve her stamina. Or we can also write here what is written in this book. I'll just read it out. If she doesn't play any game, we will teach her a new game. So it is a very positive sentence. They're saying if she's not playing this game, we will teach her another game. ये totally transform हो गया from negative to positive. ठीक है, आपको ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा तो हम दूसरा कर लेते हैं. जैसे आप देखते हो ना, young children, if you have around your house, they don't, oh, we don't want to play this, we don't want. Then you try to involve them in something new, something different. है ना? In the class also sometimes you don't have a mood or something, you don't, मैम हमको ये नहीं करना, अच्छा ठीक है ये कर लेते हैं. We give you another option. So this is also a very nice one. If she doesn't play any games, we will teach her a new game. Okay? Or we will involve her in something else. Okay, last one is Adisha, can you try this?
Unless that little bird flies away quickly, the cat will leap on it and eat it.
Unless the little bird flies away quickly, the cat will
Leap on it.
leap on it and eat it. Okay. Here it's written the cat will feast on her. So they have shortened it. The cat will feast on her. मतलब उसके तो she is going to have a feast. मतलब वो उसका वो बन
Yes,
जाएगा.
ma'am.
है ना? She will feast on
Meal.
it. The cat will feast on it. Or you can write the cat will attack it. That also you can write. Okay, so here we have the writing part. Now here you have a letter. This one you can do it yourself. Okay. Akshita, just read this.
Yes, ma'am. A new revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories has just been released.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Released. Order one set write a letter to the publisher, Mind Fame Private Limited, 1632 Asif Ali Road, New Delhi, requesting that a set be sent to you by value payable post VPP, and giving your address. Your letter will have the following parts.
So here you're writing here, you're asking someone to send you these things. And what is value payable post? Can anyone tell me what is a value payable post? You can check it on the net and tell me. आपको सामान मंगाना है तो आप पैसे भी दो भेजोगे ना उसको. Pranjal, can you quickly check and tell me? Or Akshat, what is value payable post?
Ma'am, I found it. Value payable post is an Indian post terminology for cash on delivery. We have found 4 more results from this.
Okay, that really. So it's actually cash on delivery. When you give that thing, you have to pay for that thing. Like nowadays, it's also in
Yes.
Amazon and all that. Okay. So this one is a private company, and what will come in the beginning? It's written over there. Addresses
Address.
of the senders and receiver. तो यहाँ sender कौन है?
Us.
Us. That's why it's written your address. So your address, that is the format we have learned earlier also. Your address will come, then date. Here you see date. This is like today is 16, month 04, and here it is 21. Okay, year. Then address means जिसको आप
Who is
लिख
receiving
रहे हैं.
it?
Yes, who is receiving this letter? And that has already been given in the question. Write a letter to the publisher. So this address will come in 3 lines or maximum 4 lines. Okay. And when you write this, I always say after your address, leave one line, then date, leave one line, then this address. So it will be very neat. After that, dear sir or madam, whoever you're addressing to. And if sometimes it so happens कि आपको पता नहीं होता कि जिसको आप लेटर लिख रहे हो, because he's a publisher, you don't have any personal connection with that person, isn't it? When you're writing a letter to your class teacher, you have seen your class teacher. When you're writing a letter to the principal, you have seen your principal. So you know it's a he or a she. तो आप में सर लिखना है कि मैडम लिखना है आपको पता होता है. But here you don't know the publisher personally, so it's best to write both. जहां आपको confusion हो, नहीं पता कि the person whom you're writing to, the publisher is a he or a she, just common slash लगा के sir, madam दोनों लिख सकते हैं. तो दोनों ही लिखना चाहिए rather. Okay, and this is the body of the letter. So before the after this, dear, one thing is missing over here. Can someone tell me what is it?
Subject.
Subject, exactly. So what will be the subject over here? Very short. It can be even 2 words, 3 words.
Ma'am, book release.
Book release. You have this book, Pooja, with you?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, है तो exactly वही बोल रही जो इसमें लिखा है. Okay. कहाँ से मिली? Net से?
Yes, ma'am.
Net से मिली या you took it from someone?
Ma'am, I took it from my friend.
Okay, good. So it's book release. See, it's only 2 words. Book release means आप चाहते हो book release हो. You should not write letter for book release. इतना लंबा नहीं लिखते हैं. Only maximum, even when you're writing to the principal or something, 4 words or 5 words. The shorter the better. Subject हमेशा बिल्कुल minimum होना चाहिए, crisp. And just read the letter also then, Pooja. अब तुम्हारे पास book है तो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, address also.
The body. It
Body. It has been brought to my choice that a new and revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories has been released by
Pooja, it is
Mid-Fame.
not choice. It is not choice. It has been brought to my notice. Notice मतलब मेरे
Yes, ma'am.
notice. It has been brought to my notice. You said choice, which is notice. Read again. It has been brought to my notice.
It has been brought to my notice that a new and revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories has been released by Mid-Fame Private Limited. I enjoy his style of writing and have read nearly all his books. I have been trying to buy the new book, but it is seeming to be fairly difficult to get a copy of the new edition. I would like to place an order for one set of the same with your office. I request you to kindly send it to the above address by valuable post. After reducing the discount that is being offered, it would be appreciated if you could confirm my order and also let me know the accepted date of receipt. Thank you, yours sincerely.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Your mic is mute.
Sorry. So it in the end, politely the person says, "I request you to kindly send it to the above address." By above address means आपने जो चिट्ठी में अपना एड्रेस लिखा है ऊपर, your address, उस एड्रेस पे हमारा ये ऑर्डर भेजना है. By VPP after reducing the discount, so you're asking for discount also. That has been offered. It would be appreciated if you confirm my order and let me know when should I expect these books. Okay, so it's a simple this one, and such letters can come, and simple thank you, yours sincerely, and your name, your full name. That's it. Okay. And we will do a little practice this time in class 7th also, na? I